Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing a drug molecule called Ezetimibe. Here is the chemical structure for the molecule. This drug was discovered by Schering-Plough Corporation, which is now part of Merck and Company, USA. This drug molecule was approved by US FDA in the year of 2002 for the treatment of high blood cholesterol. Now I will be discussing about synthetic route for this molecule. There are several routes available for the synthesis of the molecule. However, I will be discussing about two literature. First is one OPRD journal that was published in 2009 from Reddy's Laboratory, India. You can see here the synthesis starts from monomethyl glutarate. Here, pivolyl chloride was used to convert it into pivolyl protection in presence of base, and without isolating that intermediate, it was reacted with this S4-phenyl 2-oxazolidinone to get this oxazolidinone intermediate 4. And here enolate condensation was done in between intermediate 4 and this imine compound in presence of titanium chloride and titanium isopropoxide to get intermediate 5 by carbon-carbon bond formation reaction. So here you can see carbon-carbon bond formation happened from this carbon to this carbon next to nitrogen. Next, this intermediate 5 was treated with NO bis trimethylsilyl acetamide. This is the chemical structure for this reagent, and in presence of tetrabutyl ammonium fluoride to get this cyclized lactam intermediate. So here in this transformation you can see this particular group has been removed during the cyclization process. So this particular compounds, this particular fragment's role was to induce this uh, stereoselective, diastereoselective conversion at this step. Okay, so after getting intermediate 6, it was treated with aqueous sodium hydroxide to undergo ester hydrolysis and to produce the carboxylic acid derivative 7, and this was converted into the corresponding acid chloride by using oxalyl chloride. Now, without isolating that oxalyl chloride intermediate, it was coupled with this Grignard reagent in presence of zinc chloride and palladium catalyst to get intermediate 9 by carbon-carbon bond formation reaction. So this step is basically Negishi coupling. Grignard reagent has been used in presence of zinc chloride, so it will produce in situ organo-zinc compound, and that reacted with this acid chloride. Now, after getting the intermediate 9, this carbonyl functional group was reduced stereoselective way to get intermediate 10. Here, R-methyl oxaborolidine was used and boron reagent was used as the reducing agent. And this intermediate 10, here the benzyl group was removed from this compound by using hydrogen in presence of palladium charcoal to get the title compound Ezetimibe. Now I will discuss about another route to synthesize the molecule. Here the reaction starts with this ethyl bromobutyrate. First it reacts with triphenyl phosphine to get this salt, and this salt reacted with this aldehyde in presence of base to get this olefin, where Z isomer was formed. And this olefin now reacted with that oxazolidinone and produced intermediate 4. So it's basically oxalyl chloride was used to convert it into corresponding acid chloride, and then reaction with this amine functional group to get this intermediate. And the intermediate 4 now reacted with this imine compound in presence of titanium chloride to form intermediate 6. And here this particular functional group was removed in this cyclic lactam formation step in presence of BSA. This is the same reagent which we have discussed in earlier route also. So after getting cyclic lactam, here palladium catalyzed reaction was conducted with benzoquinone and this intermediate 7 to convert this olefin into the corresponding carbonyl compound. So you will let me know what this conversion is called. And after getting this carbonyl compound, stereoselective reduction was done by using chiral boron reagent to get this intermediate 9. And after getting intermediate 9, here the benzyl group was removed in same way using hydrogen and palladium charcoal to get this final compound ezetimibe. Thanks.